Oh, something was swimming with it. There, oh, I saw him swim for it again. Better fish, a little better. Yeah, better than the last two. He hit it once, and then as it was fluttering down, he came back for it. There we go, that's getting a little better. That's actually a really good one. Yeah. That's a little more what we're looking for here. Well, good morning, friends. I'm under a bridge. It's raining just a little bit. I'm gonna try something today that I've been wanting to try for a long time. And that is the new large grande Nikko Hellgrammite. This is 4 1/4 inches long, which seems massive compared to the Hellgrammites I typically fish, which are more in that 3-inch range. That's a big, juicy looking lure. When the water's this shallow and clear, you gotta fish slow. Long distance casts are critical, because those fish will, if you're not careful, they'll see you coming, they'll hear you coming, and they can spook from quite a long ways away. That might be close enough. Yeah, that was a little smallmouth. Well, did we catch what did we catch here? Well, that's a big old green sunfish. Wow. Look at that. There are some big green sunfish in this creek. Well, he didn't hesitate to hit that big old Hellgrammite. Yeah, let's get you back there, pal. Back to school he goes. Okay, this pool here, at least in the past, almost always catch a rock bass or two, and often it holds a quality fish. I caught one. There's our first good smallmouth. You can tell the way that one. Well, he's not a big one, but we're on the board with the smallie anyhow. Huh, right through the bottom. Interesting. Interesting. Well, he wasn't playing around. I knew I had a smallmouth there. Sure did. Well, he got hooked kind of weird. He kind of sort of got hooked twice. It's always fun guessing which way they'll swim. You never know which way they'll swim away. All right, let's see if there might be one over here. At the tail end of the pool. I like the tail ends of pools. That feels like a rock bass. Is it? No, another smallmouth. Similar to the last one. Very similar to the last one. Almost a twin. And hooked through the bottom lip again. That's interesting. We will let him go this way too and see what he does. He went to follow his buddy. So that's what's doing it, that bullet head weight. That's just a Bass Pro, kind of a big Texas rig, what do you call that, a fixed bullet head or something. I do appreciate the confidence boost. It always helps. Oh, something was swimming with it. There, oh, I saw him swim for it again. Better fish, a little better. Yeah, better than the last two. He hit it once, and then as it was fluttering down, he came back for it. There we go, that's getting a little better. Well, that's actually a really good one. Ah. Yeah. Got a little bit of scar there. That's a little more what we're looking for here. Yes, he's a little messed up on his fin there. Can you get a picture of that fish? Okay, well, let's let this one go and populate this pool now too. Off he goes downstream with his buds. Look at that, good as new. Good as new. I actually think they even get better once they get a little bit of stretch and wear in them. Can we go 4 for 4? Seems a little greedy, but if they're here, we'll take them. This is probably one of my top, maybe top 5 favorite smallmouth holes of all time. This pool right here. And I hope you'll get to see why here in a minute. I don't think I'm a great fisherman. I think I'm a good fisherman. What I lack in skill, I make up for, I think, in passion. I just love fishing. It helps when you have great water to fish. That really ups your chances. And this is a great stream. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere. And gosh, I don't even think I've ever seen anybody fish out here. No, that's not true. Years ago, I saw a couple people fishing out here. Because right in that pocket there, over there, I just pointed everywhere. This whole pool can be really good. Where do I want to start? Ugh. Actually, I got cows all around me. He's looking. There's another cow over there too. I just want him to eat it. Lots of flat rocks on here. Lots of slick, flat rocks. It gets a little deeper out there. Maybe that's where we'll end up finding him. Little fish. A little who knows what. Rock bass perhaps. Nope. Another pot-bellied greenie. We don't mind those. They're such an aggressive little fish. And they're so pretty. No. Huh. Ooh, is that a... Yeah, another greenie. Aren't they pretty? Well, this went from my favorite smallmouth pool to... I'm starting to question it now. I don't know where they went. But it feels like the pool has changed. I think the pool has definitely changed. Like I said, every year creeks change a little bit, you know. That's okay. I'd rather be catching no smallmouth in a beautiful place like this, then a lot of other things I can think of. Well, you'll just have to believe me that normally this pool is pretty amazing. This might be the first time I've ever been skunked in this pool, on smallmouth anyway. Oh, there's a cow sleeping right there. I can just barely see his head. Oh, horsefly. I don't like horseflies. They'll follow you forever and they keep biting you. It's almost impossible to hit them. What have we here? Look at that. That Smalley shook the hook. Good for him. He's gonna have a story to tell. The day he escaped. There's one of them. Ooh, something big jumped down there. There's a rock ledge right there. I thought we might catch a fish there. Maybe a largemouth? Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Third species of the day. Whoa. He nearly got away too. Oh, something just came out right there. I think that's a smallmouth, yeah. Almost at our feet. Well, the smaller ones are not, they're not intimidated by this big. I mean, that bait is a third as long as the body on that fish. You know? All right, well, we caught two in this pool. I really want to catch one of the big ones. There's some big ones in here. I will be very surprised if we don't catch a smallmouth here. There's just too much structure for them not to be here. Unless they've totally shut down, which they might have with all this weather coming, you know. Sometimes that just happens. It can look as good as you want it to, but if the fish aren't biting, they aren't biting. We're running a little shy on time. There's some great water coming up, but it's a little bit of a hike to get to it. Yeah, there one did come. Oh, that was the best fish of the day. I saw him. He swam with it for a little bit too. Never got the hook set on him. Shoot. That was our big one. That was our big one. There's beds all over the place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are sunfish guarding those beds though. Well, I think I'm gonna speed fish my way back with topwater. I can fish a lot faster, cover a lot more water. Hey, look at that. First fish in the topwater of the day. Smallmouth, I reckon. Oh, he got off. You know, I cut some of the barbs off on my back. I actually only have 1 treble instead of 3. And on my front, I only have 2. Just to give the fish a little more of a chance and keep them from getting as many hooks in them. I think the fish are just kind of shut down. Whoa! Whew! I didn't realize it was that deep. I barely slurped it in. Not a big one, but it's a smallmouth. Never say no to a smallmouth on topwater. Oh, he had another bass following him. Smaller one. Let's see. It's the nice thing about trimming those barbs down. It just makes it a lot easier to unhook these fish. Yeah, he had it in him plenty good. Well, another one down. Oh boy, we got cows. We got cows blocking our way here. Well, see if we can convince these cows that I'm a vegetarian today. Yeah, I bet we got a little green sunfish. Yeah, that's all we caught out of here before. Look at that. Another green sunfish. They're loaded up in this pool. I do not know why. Hey, see, we waded through this pool before and didn't get a fish. Oh, I got off. Shoot. That was not a bad one. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, I just walked right into a barbed wire. Oh. Oh. Woo. Okay, well, I'm not dead. That scared me. Oh boy. Oh. That'll wake you up. Well, thanks for coming along, everyone. Appreciate you watching and coming along on my adventures with me. Hey, remember to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you hit the bell, then you'll get notified. We usually put out a fresh video every week. And we'll see you again.